321% annually in our SLT pool, which is growing steadily, and we're very, very impressed with the company structure, and all the numbers and gains.
Heavily into the cryptocurrency industry for the past 7 years now. I understand the value in something when I see it from a financial point of view, and you know, SUREX just made sense to me.
最大的骄傲就是我们的社区以及我们的会员成长。
I have 1,867 people on my team.
No matter you are from any country, we see eat together, we drink together, we participate together. Because SUREX bring everybody throughout the world to be in one place to celebrate together. This is another fantastic thing that there's no other exchanger is doing.
当全球金融崩盘的时候，我们要做什么？别人统治的时候，我要。
There's a lot of accountability here, and everyone's friendly, everyone's ready to help you.
As being one of the most sought after platforms for security, quality, and top level income. Held ransom. You can withdraw your SLT pool deposit at any time. Therefore, it isn't one of these typical platforms taking the people's money and running away.
SUREX is the best. I love SUREX.
But the moment they share me the details of the SUREX, like when we talk conversation, where I was in the airport.
Well, I was introduced to it from my father.
到今天，诚信交易所一定有了156,000 users in SUREX.
So SUREX being a young baby.
Going on like this at the moment, so I think it's quite unique. I'm from Australia originally.
Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
From the Philippines.
Malaysia, Penang.
I'm from Canada.
So I feel in a year, another year from today, SUREX, I wouldn't be surprised to have 4 to 5 million members throughout the world.
你要怎么在2年之内赚到你一辈子的财富？你的赛道一定要对。
đầu tư bất động sản, đầu tư chứng khoán, cổ phiếu, nó đang trong quá trình đi xuống.
所以千万不要选那些小赛道。
身边的朋友，那长效的牛市，你准备好了吗？
我们的使命就是带大家赚钱的同一时间，我们一定要对这个社会有重大的帮助。
I'm involved in SUREX from the beginning till now, and I know everything they commit.
SUREX 的愿景就是我们要在3年之内成为全球前10大的交易所。这个目标一定是能达到，我们相信可以做到。
Whatever they say, they're very committed and they fulfill. SUREX is the best.
Thank you, SUREX.
Thì chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau hành động một cách quyết liệt để tạo ra một giá trị lớn của một số đích trong tương lai.
把它重新站起来，这个就是我们的机会。
神心棒不棒？听不到棒不棒？